Don't hit that subscribe button, Thinkerheads. You know you watching the video. Hey, what's happening, Thinkerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, just want to let y'all know this weekend, November the 11th is Veterans Day. They just want to shout out a little salute to all the veterans out there. If you don't know, we are a military family. And so anytime that we get to show love for the military, we try to do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Much love and respect. And prayers go out to all those that did serve and those that are continuing to serve. Hey, we appreciate you guys.
Sir. Speaking of veterans, so we're going to go ahead and give this big thumbs up out there for all the veterans out there. Don't hit that like button, sneakerheads, for the veterans. Don't
Yes,
do it for
sir.
me. Do it for the veterans. So moving on, we got that what? Weekly heat, baby.
Heat, baby. That weekly heat.
So go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on November the 10th, we got those Air Jordan 5s, the Midnight Navy. There's a men's pair and it's a baby's. The baby's got some pair of J's coming out on the same day. Asking price for the men pair going for $210 for grade school, $150. And for those little kids, those little babies, asking price is $90. This shoe here is, like I mentioned, it's a Navy shoe, Midnight Navy. It's honoring the Bulldog, right? The University of Georgetown. Essentially, it's a clad in team signature colors. This shoe is a football gray in the Midnight Navy. You know, I don't have a pair of 5, but that's a clean shoe, and I'm rocking those. I'm giving those a thumbs up. I'm rocking those. I would love to have those in my collection. What about you, my brother?
Yes, sir. So let us know, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? But as for me, of course, I'm rocking these. I do love 5s, and I do like this Navy pair a lot. Although it's supposed to be symbolizing the Bulldogs, if you look at the back of it, it does have a black Jordan Jumpman. So this is not part of the collegiate pack or collegiate team. As we know, we already had the Oregon Ducks come out. As you know, I do have those UNC blue pair that came out a few months ago. So collegiate pack has that, that tag that no one likes in the back.
Right.
This pair right here I see does come with that regular Jordan Jumpman, which we're accustomed to having on the Jordan 5s. But I'm wondering if it's just me. I want y'all to let me know in the comments that, back in the day, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe it's just they're doing this for the OGs only. But back in the day, mostly all the Jordan 5s used to come with the 23 stitch on the side. I noticed a lot of the ones lately, especially this year, don't have the 23 on the side. So let me know if you know something about that. Again, I don't pretend to be an expert on the 5s, but hey, comment down below.
So what we have next, my brother?
November 11th, the Jordan 11 Neapolitan is coming out. This is a women's only exclusive shoe. We did have a shock drop for these. Again, I told you I already took an L on those. Most people are saying that brown's a little bit too dark and they think that it doesn't look that good in hand. I haven't seen these personally in hand, but I'm a big fan of the Jordan 11s. I do have the old school cool grays. I do rock highs and lows. So any Jordan 11 pretty much I'm a fan of. I will not be going for these personally because this is a women's exclusive only shoe. I'm going to save my money for those DMP, aka Gratitudes. They're coming out in December. The all white and black pair looking like that tuxedo shoe. Let us know in the comments, heads. Are you rocking these Neapolitan 11s? Again, this shoe does feature all white top. It has that chocolate brown. Patent leather is chocolate. It has that white midsole. And the bottom is that pink, icy outsole in pink. What do you think about these? Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, y'all know I got a couple of those. I do got the cool grays. I do got the cherries, right? I'm rocking those. Those get a thumbs up. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But either way, with them being a women's pair of shoes, I'm rocking those, my brother.
So this shoe comes out on November 11th with the price point of $225. This is a woman's only shoe. I don't think these are going to extend the sizes, but correct me in the comments if you do know. Again, these shoes have already shock dropped, so I wish you the best of luck. If you want these, it should be easy for y'all to get sneakerhead.
Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.